इस इवेंट का नाम है सेरा फेस्ट. इट्स बेसिकली फॉर पॉटरी एंड 22 और 23 पॉटर्स. 22 पॉटर्स आर देयर और ये एक्चुअली वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड इवेंट है. फर्स्ट टाइम है कि ऑल इट्स ओनली अबाउट पॉटरी. नहीं तो बहुत सारे आर्ट एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं जहाँ पे पॉटरी इज़ गिवन अ सर्टेन स्पेस, बट दिस इज़ अ first time where everyone, all of them have come together and they're organizing this whole thing, and it's for 3 days. Or so my brother and me, of course my bhabhi Shayanti is part of it, and she just asked us to come and light one diya and be a part of it. So isliye hum
that it's an art form that needs to be encouraged in our city. A lot of studio potters have been working very hard over the last few years to get their standards up to a level where they can sell it as production wear, and I think that now I'm glad that it's come into the limelight, and there's some really wonderful work. So I would encourage people to come out and आके देखें कि कितनी यानी खूबसूरत चीज़ें बनाए हैं उन्होंने. तो I would just encourage people to come here to the Kumaraswamy Hall at the Prince of Wales Museum and check out the work.
yeah, it's for 3 days. 3 दिन का एग्जीबिशन है. तो आज पहला दिन है.
तो हमारा भी है स्टॉल, लेकिन दिस इज़ अबाउट बॉम्बे पॉटर्स. क्या है कि इन इंडिया देर आर द अदर सिटीज़ आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विद पॉटरी. Baroda, Bhopal, Delhi, Calcutta, Pondicherry, everyone is known for their pottery, and Bombay being the economic capital of India, no sense in it not being a cultural capital also. So this is the reason that we have pushed this market as a festival, as Sera Fest, because we want studio pottery and pottery in a modern context to be recognized as an art form. And we want to step up and be on par with the rest of India. And I mean, God knows there's enough talent in this room. So please come and have a look at it, and you will be literally amazed at the various things that could be created with just a ball of clay.
और लोग सोचते कि ये सिर्फ शो पीसेस होते हैं, पर एक्चुअली इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ विच यू कैन यूज इन द हाउस ऑल्सो. लाइक यू हैव मग्स, you have coasters, you have ashtrays, you have a lot of things. 50% of the work is stuff that you can actually use in your house. So there's some misconceptions that it's only a show piece that you're going to buy. It's stuff that you can really use. So that's why we're here.